Have you ever heard someone say, "I'm going to hit the sack"? What do you think that means? It sounds a little strange, doesn't it? Listen to these examples and try to guess the meaning of hit the sack. I'm really tired. I think I'll hit the sack early tonight. After finishing her homework, Lisa decided to hit the sack. We hit the sack right after the party because we were exhausted. He usually hits the sack around 11 p.m. on weekdays. I need to hit the sack soon. I have an early meeting tomorrow. What do you think all of these sentences are talking about? Let's look at a hint. Imagine someone lying down in bed, pulling the blanket over themselves, and turning off the lights. What do you think hit the sack means? Hit the sack is an informal way to say go to bed or go to sleep. It's a common phrase in casual English when you want to tell someone you're heading to bed. Which sentence uses hit the sack correctly? A. I hit the sack of rice to open it. B. After watching the movie, I'll hit the sack. C. He hit the sack of potatoes at the market. The correct answer is B. It means go to bed after watching the movie. Here are some other ways to say the same thing. Go to bed, the direct meaning. Turn in. I'm going to turn in for the night. Crash. I'm so tired, I'm going to crash. Hit the hay, another fun, informal way to say go to sleep. Now it's your turn. Can you write a sentence using hit the sack? Post it in the comments and join in on the discussion. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more English idioms? Check out our playlist and subscribe for more quick English lessons.